I just wanted to do a quick live. I'm in the woodland today. You know, it's like overcast, which is great. We've had a little bit of rain overnight. Sun's peeping through the clouds. But for me, farming wise, creatively, being a bit more cooler, even if I was doing archaeological work, this is perfect conditions. I always say that the weather that I don't like is the wind, but the wind at this time of year is a good thing, so I'm not complaining. So I'm sort of with the goats as well. There they are. They're sort of, we're trying to graze our woodland here whilst trying to keep some continuity with the hedge line and the trees that we have planted in here to replace the larch. So anyone out there, please like and subscribe. Join my channel. I do these lives because my algorithms tell me that new people come to my channel, and occasionally some of my regulars pop through and say hi, which is good. So it's Sunday. Lots to do today, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit down now after this and probably have either a cup of tea, barley cup, or coffee. Now, I'm not good with coffee, really not good with coffee. And one thing, having OCD, so coffee's not good for somebody with OCD. Weirdly enough, when my situation was really bad, or was bad, but I've seen it really bad, I went to see a psychiatrist. And I remember I saw this psychiatrist for seemed like weeks. And the end result was getting me to stop drinking coffee. The addiction of coffee drinking with OCD. So anyone with OCD will know that never buy scratch cards, because if you've got OCD and you start buying scratch cards, it becomes a ritual, and therefore it's an addiction. And somebody's saying, do you know what a matter daddy is? No, I don't. What a weird question. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. I was talking about OCD and coffee drinking, and gambling. That's what I was talking about. So, if you with OCD, when you've got scratch cards, and somebody said, I've just seen your short on Welsh history being a mess. Yes, Welsh history is in a big mess, actually. And somebody then says, what the matter, Daddy? Is Christ your Lord? Well, I believe in Jesus Christ. I'm a follower of Jesus Christ, but I'm not a follower of Christianity. I'm a honeyist as well, so it's these two beliefs are in people that actually existed, put it this way. Oh, and thank you for saying a couple of bookies. It was really informative. Please subscribe and like my channel. If anyone does join my channel, it's £1.99 a month. Press the join button. I'll send you a free book. Oh, I just joined What's Alive About. Right, hiya. Aros Raspberry, yeah. Yes, the live's basically about OCD, but we've gone on to Christianity, or my belief in Jesus Christ, which is different from Christianity. So I believe in Jesus Christ, but not Christianity. So anyway, let's get back to OCD. So I was saying about OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. I've got OCD, right? And it's saying that I got OCD wandering along. I should be checking rituals, but because I'm in a safe zone, which I own and it's mine, I'm not exhibiting any OCD symptoms. I might be by just having Okay, so he feels good. Is necessarily going to accelerate. So I got into gambling years ago, and I remember doing really well on the ball. And I remember winning what I thought great. And that was England to win the football game. He win the football game a couple of seconds after the final, going into extra time. So even though I won my bet, I didn't actually have a payout because my bet was that I had to, England had to win before full time, before the extra play. So I lost £1,000. That really taught me. Somebody with OCD taught a lesson. Yeah, here we go. A couple of Berkey's. OCD is harder than most people think. Well done for smashing it, bro. I've not smashed OCD. I've still got OCD, but doing what I'm doing now was impossible in 2000, really. Thank you. Cordova Salmon. Why not Christianity or the church that Jesus Christ started and said the gates, if hell, wouldn't prevail against it? So saying you don't follow the church is rejecting Jesus' promise. I believe in what Jesus did. I believe that he did good things. Jesus did not talk about Christianity. He did not talk about, if you look at his teachings, he did not talk about having churches and stuff. He said, in my house there are many mansions, right? You don't need buildings to believe in Jesus Christ. So I'm going to do what I do on these recordings. Keep it here, right? Keep it live. And I'm going to repair a gate whilst we're doing it. Right, so we're going to do a little bit of a gate repair here, and it's stuck. So orientation is locked. Here we go. We're going to do, anyone who's actually there can see I'm going to repair a gate now. And anyone who's new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyone joining, when you do join, you need to let me know, and I will send a copy of one of my books, which will be on archaeology, or I've got books on ghosts. So unfortunately, I've got one of these little tacky little hammers, which is not the best thing in the world, and probably trying to do too many things at once, to be honest. You know what I should have done? I should have actually screwed this in, which I might actually do. So anyway, what are we looking at still on this recording? You're out, are you? Okay, fair enough. The problem is with people who say they're Christians, and it doesn't go the way that they want it to go, right? Christianity are about. So we're just sort of trying to repair this gate here. And anyone who likes and subscribes, you are very welcome on my channel. Very much indeed welcome on my channel. And trying to get this bugger to work properly. It's supposed to go like that. Trying to repair this thing. And there we go. We're going to try and do a little bit of a repair in the field. And we're going to just see what we can do. Anyone out there, like and subscribe. This is sort of a general recording, really. And we're going to get some bits and bobs out my little pouch. And hopefully we can do this. We've got a screwy type thing, and this will guide a nail in anyway. This is a really nice tool, and anyone who's wondering what I'm doing, right, so obviously back to the OCD. Sort of, most people say that you need to get treatment for the OCD. problem with that is that when you get treatment for your OCD, your personality changes. And I would prefer to have a bit of OCD than not. Sometimes OCD can protect you from doing stupid things. It really can. And first nail through. There we go, put that over. Right, we're just making a little bit of a repair to this fence. And that didn't really help. It's not going the best, my friends. Trying to get access to everything. Multitasking sometimes. Probably need more pockets, to be honest. So I actually come up with loads of nails and stuff, but I don't seem to have any left. So that's better. Oh, that's come loose there. Unfortunately, it's rotten wood. And I might have to come back here later and do some more repairs. So, again, up there, please like and subscribe. So I get the feeling that everything that I brought out with me isn't here. So I'm going to have to probably do another deeper repair later on, because I don't have any more nails or more screws. So anyway, people out there watching, I was talking about OCD. So with my OCD, I do have little lip rituals. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of put this away. So there's the cat. Follow the cat. Follow the cat. So there's the cat there. And we're just gonna, so when I'm doing my OCD stuff, I slow down. So I'm just doing my little ritual now to get away from this spot, this place, this area. Didn't have enough nails and screws or anything to repair that fence, so something very, very temporary. At least it's holding up a little bit better. So what I'm going to probably do is I'm going to probably end this live now. I just want to say hi to people. And I'll probably do another live later on the Walking Dead channel. So anyway, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you. Bye. Like and subscribe on my channel.